Let's continue with chapter 3.1, addition of whole numbers, but this time we want to look at thinking strategies. So some creative and flexible ways to do addition other than what we will learn later called the standard algorithm. So it's important to kind of look at other methods other than the ones that I've posted here. And so it's important to know from research, right, when students are taught strategies for thinking and working, right, thinking and working in mathematics instead of memorizing, right, um, kind of memorizing their basic facts, which they will do, but if we are taught other strategies, right, they become more flexible and efficient with their thinking. And so let's look at a couple of examples here. 9 plus 7. We know, again, at some point you memorize that's 16, but what about younger children? They have all these different strategies to use to try to get that answer. When they first start, they'll use counting blocks and things like that, which is important so they can see how they get grouped. But looking at 9 plus 7, someone can easily say, oh, I know that answer. The 9 is 2 plus 7 plus 7, right? You break up the 9 into 2 plus 7, and then you use doubles to go ahead and know that, because students learn their doubles faster. That's 14, and then you get 2 plus 14. Someone may say, you know what, I'm going to turn that 9 into a 10. I'm going to turn the 7 into a 6. 9 plus 7 is 16 because give 1, take away 1, it turns into 10 plus 6, which would be equivalent. And so then you end up with 16. So that's another way, and I challenge you to try to think of another way how you would add that together, right? Let's continue on here. Here are some more examples of how would you add 42 plus 18. This is just one example. What came to mind to me is turn this to a 40, turn this into a 20, and you get 16. Some of you may look and see as an alternative to this is to look at 42 and 18 and say, you know what, I see 40 and 10 is 50, 2 plus 8 is 10, and then there's my 60. And so just to show what I meant there, you see 42 plus 18, I see 40 plus 10, and then 2 plus 8. And so then there's your 60, 50 plus 10. How about 37 and 42 plus 13? Again, from our associativity, you can then basically put those together. When you do that, I get 50. 50 plus 42 is 92. And again, I challenge you to look at other ways to do this. 51 plus 39, I see 50, 30. So I take away 1 here, give that 1 to there, you get 40, I get 50 plus 40. Another person might see 50 plus 30 plus 1 plus 9, and then there's your 60. Again, just to challenge you to look at other flexible ways, thinking strategies to add numbers.